And if we don't teach our people how to farm, then we're going to have this major food crisis. Where them already publishing the Gleaner say the food prices are gonna raise in the Christmas period. They will have shortage in vegetables. Crazy,
And not just
crazy.
shortages, the little that you can get, you can't afford it.
Expensive. Exactly. Where is the contingency plan from the agricultural minister? Where is
Nothing
the
is happening.
innovative plans?
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
Where are the greenhouses that are built
Mhm.
in order to sustain climate change? Where is those innovative type of thinking? Where are how are we using solar energy to power farms?
Because Jamaica, when you look at it, if it's not one thing, it's the other, because if it's not hurricane, it's flooding, and if it's not flooding, it's drought. So, and there is nothing that is put in place to mitigate any of these natural disaster that would have faced the farmers. Nothing at all. And that is
When we
why the
hear
farmers no longer want to do farming. And as I
true,
said, if we cannot feed ourselves and try to feed others, because listen me, when you go to the store in America, the Jamaican food tastes much better than the other food. If you find a sweet potato from Jamaica, it is say a Jamaica sweet potato. Jamaica yellow yam is $7 and something, almost $8 a pound.
there you go.
Almost $8 a pound for Jamaica yellow yam. You
And
understand?
and
So
Trelawney
when
known for
okay,
yam, and we don't have the biggest yam festival where have how much artists are
so
performed
many
if it attract people. We're supposed to
so
have
many
one
things.
month. We're
And don't
supposed to
everyone
have one
realize that
month
on
of
this
cultural
government coming
show.
this man, he coming like what they call it, Gramazone. This man coming like Gramazone, this government is like a Gramazone, He spray down everything and dry it up.
Like Helen Keller
Everything.
said, what is worse than being born blind is to have sight but no vision. None
Okay.
of them are leader within the current government have no farmer vision. So that's why the people are suffering.
And what the
And as you
Bible say, a
said,
man without a
chocolate,
vision, the people perish.
yeah, as you say, chocolate, them need to make farming popular.
More
Just as
attractive,
how the
man.
Prime Minister
Yes.
made dunce popular.
Yes.
Because the youth them a talk about the dance and him come and speak about it and laugh. Hey, 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 dance.
Yeah.
Fully dance. And then
Yeah.
laugh. And then them even put it in a
And
song. So
and put
when
it
people
on bag
hear these
and the
things
same picking
over
them a
and
carry go to
over,
school pan them back.
yeah, why we not see him in a water boat out in the field and dig up a land, a plant up some food? Them things that don't make no sense to him.
No.
See the marijuana industry it's a over what $26 billion entity.
Okay.
And
And how
Jamaica
many
known
small farmers are a
from the
part of that?
beginning of time.
Mm-hmm.
Jamaica known for the marijuana, yet still we cannot develop on it. We cannot do any research on it. And marijuana is out here making solution that can replace cement. It is called hempcrete. And we don't know nothing about it. We're oblivious to the fact that it is something that can be used for the betterment of Jamaicans.
But
You have two
remember,
major compounds,
mm-hmm.
There are you have THC, that is cannabinoid. That is the
Mm-hmm.
one that gets you high.
Eye
And
for
then
the
you have
eye. Yes.
CBD,
Mm-hmm.
which is cannabinoid, we can use a whole heap of things for
Yeah.
multiple sclerosis. It
Yes.
can use for
The sleep.
glaucoma, to treat
Yes, and
glaucoma.
sleep. Yes, fully relaxed and all of
There
those
you
things.
go.
Mm-hmm.
What do you call that sleeping disorder again?
Yes.
Ah,
I don't remember. I can't remember it now. Yes. I
it
know what you're
slipped me too.
talking.
Yeah, and it used to rub, yeah, a pain
For
reliever. You
pain,
can
yes,
use
it's
it
good
for.
inflammation,
Yeah,
inflammatory, yeah,
so
inflammation.
much good
Listen,
things the
man,
marijuana can use
but
for.
I
But
don't know if
only
you
thing
remember,
them talk about,
Jamites.
huh?
I don't know if you remember I don't remember if it was last year when we heard that there was a license that was given to certain people, somebody, certain ministers, family member to import it here, from Canada,
Yes,
import it
yes,
into
from Canada,
Jamaica.
yes.
And
When they have
how
the jugs up, the jugs
cruel
up
could that
weed
be?
that come
Could they
come
be
on the Jamaican market. Wicked. And when we have
wicked?
natural substance here. Oh, the word is insomnia.
Insomnia, right? Yes,
Yes.
sleeping
Yes.
disorder. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Listen,
These
man.
things is what we
This man
need to
is
be.
like a grammar zone, man. Kill
Boy, I tell you, man,
everything
it's a
from him
poison
coming
to
up
the
home and
Jamaican
kill
people.
everything. The man just coming like a weed killer and just kill. Nothing. He has no legacy. People have been asking, name me two things that this man has developed and bring to fruition for himself. Absolutely nothing. No, but the other day I heard somebody, ask one of them, you asked me pan a sudden, man, you have to give me a little time. Two things.
Jamaica,
I see you, my brother. I see you. Where is this?
I stepped away from the phone a bit while you were speaking about the marijuana. But
True.
in seconds.
Auntie Ivan, you did want to say something just now?
Okay, I'm back. All
Yeah,
right,
man.
Jamaica. While you were speaking about the marijuana, I was working at a particular company,
Mm-hmm.
and we, you we are into medical marijuana, and this
Mm-hmm.
is in Jamaica. Innit?
True.
Yes, and
Nice.
we had 13 greenhouses.
True.
This is just what you are looking at here is half of the greenhouse, just half, just the half in length you are looking at.
Nice.
So this is about 200 feet long, the greenhouse, and about maybe 100 feet wide. All right.
Nice.
This company is in North Central Clarendon, and this company has employed over 600 persons. And upon operation, and before operation it would have employed over 1,000 person in terms of setting up, in terms of construction and everything, whole lot of persons within the community. And this is why I can't understand why this government, no, I don't hear them speaking about this marijuana industry in any significant way, where we know, you and I know, maybe because of experience, you and I know that this sector can end poverty in Jamaica if we
Say it
focus.
again because me not think everybody here.
I said
God.
this sector can end poverty in Jamaica single-handedly, without tourism, without remittance, without without um backside, other things.
Thank
If
you.
if we
I'm
if we
serious
do the
about this.
right thing. You understand? And now this company has to start planting pepper.
Start plant pepper.
Yes, after all these years of investment,
Yeah, yeah.
because there are other things that are troubling the sector in terms of doing business with the banks,
Mm.
because there are certain legislation that the government are not bringing to parliament to really cement this sector with the country to really get to invest and move money across banks, because banks are seen against the Drug Act in
Hmm.
terms of to do business with them.
Ja,
So we need
ja.
a lot of reform.
Remember, say a comrade Mark Gold in the bring the legislation about decriminalizing, the marijuana, and him champion the cause of normalizing it in our economy, in our society, to people to know the benefits, the economical benefits of it, and also the health benefits. Because a lot of people don't realize how important it is to our health. And yet still we out here a smoke cigarette like wow. And they tell we on the box so it a go kill you. And in the last, based on survey, in the last 100 years, marijuana smoking has not killed anybody. But the cigarette tell you to them, why you show you what they want to do to your lungs and your liver.
Just
It
20
show
of the
you
food and you just
descriptively.
finish everything.
But you see, ignorance, my brother. Ignorance is when people don't know the beauty of something. But here the thing. Here the simple reasoning. Yeah? Them tell us to stay away from drugs, yeah? Yet still, when you go to the doctor, what them prescribe to you? Drugs. What is the next name for the pharmacy? Drugstore, right? I know my grandmother from a little boy growing up never stopped taking sugar pill, right? Where on one of those plants you can show me the word mark drug on it? Drug are sitting where they making a lab, my brother. Yes, people can abuse the marijuana plant. Anything that you do in moderation. But it is not a drug. It is a plant. When you
But
abuse it,
even,
then it
but
can be
even into
harmful.
water you can abuse.
But you
Even
know that
water, there you go.
I have a eye condition, pterygium, and I did surgery on both of them, and they came back. And before I did this surgery, somebody told me about. After I did the surgery and it came back, somebody told me about the green marijuana to rub it up and squeeze it in there. And you see, when I do that in the morning when I wake up, you don't want to see the amount of mucus that comes out of my eye. I can't open. I
There
have
you
to
go.
use water to wash it off, wash it off. And it's only at one point I could not get it. I could not get it. And I was living somewhere in Manchester where you would think that those things you could get it. I couldn't get it. Because as soon as somebody knows, somebody see a plant out tree or two, them go call police on you. You understand? So at one point,
Comrade,
people have been
Comrade
in
Mark Golden
fear.
make you can have up to 3 plants in your household. So you're good. 5.
Plant.
But it is very
My
good.
my apologies. But just the
Very good.
stigma that is attached to it. And again, it is used. I think it's canasol is the.
Yes,
Yes,
that's a medicine for asthma.
yes,
Yes, that is held to treat glaucoma coming
yes.
from the marijuana
But
plant.
there, Doctor, what is Chevanese name? What's the doctor name? That professor in Jamaica who started out trying to put that eye drop together. What's his name again?
I'll have to research that.
I
Don't
don't
How
remember.
remember
long
his
was
name,
that?
but I know who you're talking. I don't.
Yes,
His name is not on the top of my head.
I don't remember
He
his
have,
name.
he have made that and a medicine for asthma from this
Yes,
plant.
anasol. Anasol. We use
Mhm.
to help with asthma. So again, you see, but in Canada, in some hospitals, when you go there, they might recommend different strains of marijuana for medications, in
Yes,
Jamaica
because we
alone,
have in this company alone we have more than 1,000 strain different strain.
natural, eh?
Yeah.
I agree with Chef when he said that this can alleviate poverty in Jamaica
Yes, man.
single-handedly. Yeah, I believe
Think,
him.
you see, when you don't know the use of what you have,
Hmm.
it is crazy. But that's why I tell people, that don't get discouraged, man, in the next 5 years with a man like Dr. Andre Arton, a
Can
man
I
like
tell?
Damian
Can I tell
Crawford,
you?
a
Can
man
I
like
tell you?
Dr. Alfred Dawes, a man like comrade leader Mark Golden. Eh? So
But
much great
I
people,
don't
man.
know. I don't know if any of you see it from my point of view. When it comes to Jamaican natural resources, what we have. what we have to keep us going. The the government try to tear it down. As I said, him coming like a weed killer. Look at backside. Look at the backside. Hmm? Look at the backside. Jamaica produce one of the best. And look at it. We are not
But,
getting anything from it. Nothing at all.
but they find lithium in the backside, you know. But this is the thing. I believe that we should leave backside now. You see those old, because you cannot dig out the
Yes, yes.
core of your
I don't
land
think there is
because it
nothing else left for to
there you
find.
go. So
You
maybe
know?
these say we could low it.
Because remember now, when they finish with that land, it can't do anything, you know.
No, not even can sustain plant life.
Nothing at all.
Jamaica,
Not
Jamaica,
even for rearing
anytime
animals.
Mark will and revolutionize the marijuana sector, I am coming home.
Me hear Dwayne Vaz speak about it a lot and Dr. Andre Arton a lot. So I believe in the next 5 years, Jamaica one of the best place to be. I'ma say that without water and my mouth and without apology. Because all it takes is just for us to socialize effectively. Yeah. So all them a jump up about tourism. Remittances impact the local economy way more than tourism. And yet
Hmm.
still what they have we doing out there set up steel pan and jump for white people when them come and jump all over the place. And then we harass or people when they come back from abroad to come to spend the money locally.
Mm-hmm.
Mad the people them I talk about the government making investors coming in so that you can have jobs. Jobs make you poor. Me keep telling them and then think of foolishness.
It's true. You become a slave.
You become
Mm-hmm.
slave to these people.
Mm-hmm.
You're supposed to be striving to be entrepreneurs or to be working for your brothers and sisters, working together. No,
Mm-hmm.
man, they said years ago that Jamaica don't have a political problem, we have a social problem. And that me
Exactly.
I tell Mr. Pattison yesterday. And when Mr.
Hmm.
Pattison don't know the simple thing as what is politics. And at them people I talk about they want to go lead people. Him come like the labor rights them. Them not care about the inner workings of what make a society tick, what
Mm-hmm.
makes the economy move. All they about is power. Them just want to know say them are the man and them come up here and shout to the people them and then
Yeah,
tell them
want to be
say,
in control at all
yeah, and
times.
then tell them say refreshment will be served at party headquarters and then jump up. Yay!
Mm-hmm.
And the same little madness happen over and over again, brain drain. Who they in the country with them diploma and degree, sit down and take call from white people in a BPO
Mm-hmm.
sector. Or then they in a tourism sector. I waste them education when they got
Mm-hmm.
a college, a university. I spent years I try to pay back university, not doing the job that they went to university
But you
for.
see, but look at even hard trust Jamaica. Remember, when you go into hard trust, it doesn't matter what skill you go there go learn. Entrepreneurship is a must. You must learn entrepreneur. And when they finish, how many of them you see move into entrepreneur? They gonna work for people because of the environment that is created around them.
Thank you.
You understand? The environment is not conducive to
And Jamaica,
garner for them to
I,
garner their entrepreneurship.
I
It's
have
just
done
to
that
work
course
for people
also.
and collect money.
I
Nine
have
to
done that
five.
course. I have done that course also. But you know what? Doing the course is one thing, but being an entrepreneur is the other. Because I was an entrepreneur before I did the course. But nevertheless, being an entrepreneur and in my areas, it's about processing because even the marijuana plant, I can process oil from that. But I do not have license to process from the marijuana plant. So I stick to other other products where I would.
Completely understand, my brother. And this is the thing, it's not just providing the opportunity to learn about entrepreneurship formally. You must put in provision like people showing you how to invest. You're supposed to be able to get grants. You get me, I said to
Yes,
you? And then somebody coach you along how
That's
to
what I'm
invest.
saying. The
this,
environment is
this,
not
this
conducive
is
for
where
that.
I'm
As you
getting.
said before,
You know?
chocolate,
This
the
is where
environment
I'm
is not
getting.
conducive.
This
Oh,
is
this is
where
your
I'm.
these are your products.
Yes.
Here you
Um.
go.
So at the end of the day, it's the support that you are not getting. I think we can structure things a little better in terms of with the UDC, the Jamaica Business Development Bank. I think we need to
Oh, the DBJ. DBJ
yes.
is supposed to always have money for initiatives like those, to make kickstart
No,
business.
but the thing is, what is the problem we are facing? Remember, I have a lot of entrepreneurs friends, and we have some persons who the first thing them I tell you to up to date your business with tax filing and whatever. Then you have to register. Now, when you're registered, it when you register your business, you have to be the one in that. Because remember, as a young business now, Jamaica, you have to be the one who making your product, doing this, doing that, and you are still the one who expect to go to some of these functions
And to market it.
and to market it and to do everything and then to file tax. Some of we don't even familiar with the file of tax. You understand?
Understanding. And it
So
can be overwhelming because
yes,
if you have
that's
all of that to do, plus not having the adequate funding, it get overwhelming.
overwhelming. That is exactly what I am saying. So
And
I think
sometimes you have to seek overseas market too, which that is another red tape right there.
all right, facilitate us. We make the product then, and we come up with the idea. For instance, I have um neem oil and I have cold pressed coconut oil, castor oil, ginger garlic, carrot oil, various oil, and we are talking about oils that works, oil that because I remember I give a lady some ginger garlic for ear breakage and so on. And a couple months after she met me, and I said, you know what? The only problem I have with my oil, person are always saying, am I going to smell like garlic or whatever? I said, no, as soon as I use it, that it's sent gone. So I said, when me I talk to her, I said to her, I said, no, me I go try get a fragrance we put in there if we just cut down the scent of the garlic. She said, no, anything to it, the product is perfect. You understand? She said I
Mhm.
shouldn't do anything else to it. It is perfect. And she take off the thing off her ear and show me. They said the product works, and once the product works, that's all you need.
That's all you need.
And yes, and so remember, this is the SRC. This is somebody from the SRC I was talking to, because I went to some of these functions with my products and tested and whatever. So she said I must not put any fragrance in it because the oil is perfect. And she said to me, I have the oil in my ear now. Are you smelling it? I said, no. And she said, okay, well, don't do anything to it. It is fine as it is. So now what I am saying to you, Jamex, in terms of support, I think the SRC can come in to these individuals, test their product, and know the when once they test the product, they write a recommendation in terms of the quality of the products and so on, and submit that to the development bank. You understand? Then the development bank can put
Understanding.
then the development bank can put something into plan in terms of business plan in order to get these people to start product these product on a massive basis. You understand? With
Yeah.
even if you have to step in as a government and control a percentage of this business, you understand? Sign off to ensure that this business grow. We wouldn't have no problem with that as long as the business is growing and we are benefiting, the country is benefiting, and our families benefiting, I think it will all go as well. But this is how you develop your country. This is how you get your economy growing by supporting your ideas, your people, and your business, your local business. And
Especially
this is what
small
we
businesses.
Yeah. I believe that the government should always have business expo where they go around and highlight these business products and able to give grants and also provide guidance, because this is the thing, especially like in Jamaica with loans. They just give you loans and then they don't provide any guidance. So if you go drown with your loan and you alone have it to pay back. And
because
Jamaica have one of the highest startup business and at the same time have the most failed business because people
exactly
are
that's
not
what I'm
provided with
saying.
structure and guidance.
I remember I go to an expo and this I make this presentation and I tell them, say, look here, I do not want the bank to just give me a $1 billion for a loan and that's it. I need the bank to give me the loan and send the business expert with the loan to see to it
There you
that
go.
this business is a success. I don't want to manage 1 billion by myself, Jamaica. So therefore,
Partnership. And
partnership
that we
with
not
the
all
bank.
right. You see, we always have this old saying from where I go up, say friends and family, you know, if you mix them in a business. But when you look on the big business, them our friends and family own them. But
Exactly.
ladies and gentlemen, I have to run. I must apologize for my abrupt end. But thank you ever so much for the discussion. Very good discussion, sir, chef. And me like your products them. And we hope we talk a little bit more about the products them, but we need to have products like this being endorsed, especially coming from natural products. You
With
understand?
exactly from the environment, right?
There
You
you
know,
go.
understand?
Big up here, my family. Chocolate,
All right,
big up
take
as
care,
well.
Okay,
man.
Have a
okay,
great night.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay, you're Jamaica, all right? All right.
Blessing. I'll be on again 6:30. I love bless up the morning early, and put
Okay
people
then.
on them way.
Okay.
Alright, so
You
Okay,
know
all
bless
what
up.
right.
me box them,
Blessings,
Jamaica.
blessings. Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
You know what me box them, man.
Yes, man. Me normally send invite and then me open up the box. So me open up the box and we have discussions.
All right, all right.
Alright,
This morning was
blessings.
a good one, though. I
True.
enjoyed it. I was on the train and I enjoyed it right through.
Thank you, man. And
Yeah,
it only gonna get better and we just come out and support each other. And we
yeah,
want we structure with things more and more. I have more plans, and I will send like formal information so we can structure something so we can be most effective.
yes.
Because
All
we
right,
want
all
to
right.
ensure that we
The
impact
message,
the
the
diaspora.
message must be preached.
There you
Yes,
go.
Mm,
yes,
And we
yes.
and throughout the message, we must be able to teach about different type of things that are affecting us socially,
affecting
I
us,
believe.
yeah,
All
yeah.
right. So blessings to
Okay,
us.
bless up, my Jamaica. All right, cool.
All right, Jamaica, pick up.
Mhm.
So, chocolate, I guess this is where we have to end now.
Yeah,
As
man, yeah.
Remember me tell the labor it is no more. And them know this. Them know this. So them send out them like a secret agent like Umalo, I don't know kind of fucking name that. Come tell people about no vote and two parties are the same and this and that and rare. Fuck you. You know the thing about it, you see, sometimes you do good for people, And in a for them eyesight are bad, You understand me I say? Cause with all of them, Michael Manley and Norman Man do Mr. Either to compare life attack or now. Them no want me go down in another part of politics there. From in a 1960, we see her and the whole of them do. They know the saga. Poison Donald Sangster. Pay people for poison Donald Sangster. Them no want hear that. Them no want hear saying pay a man for shove off Ken Jones off a building. Them now want to hear them something there. In 1976 when them take over, crime rise. And me hear a brother we claim to see or when me a bigger food on TikTok. Me, I go call him Bigger Food. You don't have to call him Bigger Food. Me, I call him Bigger Food because until Bigger Food come forward, him name Bigger Food. Yeah, man, I really want Bigger Food to come back and I feel like, say, we too long. So anybody when Bigger Food can tell himself, yo, come on a TikTok. Make a reason out that thing. You understand me? I say, make a reason out that thing on TikTok. That's how I want Bigger Food. Because right now the thing I get grimy. A whole heap of things me have to talk about, but can't really depend life fluently from what they, depend life fluently from what they, but this much I can tell you. This much I can tell you. Me have a lot to say. I mean, I have no apology for what I do in the past few days or day, probably a day. Anything I say, I mean, I'm stand to my word with that. Because you see, when it comes to equality, people must understand what is equal. Because if you come on a program with me there and me say, yo, here what my general, you want people to speak and feed them thing, right? Okay. And people are speak. But at the end of the day, you will give a certain amount of people more talk time than other people to create problem. Because number one, you not gonna remember everything what this man has said for rebut them. As him get 10 minutes, me only get 5. Right, ruler brown, what go on? I'm seeing in the comments them, big up yourself, as a shower man, And don't come tell me about as the Jamaican. I don't want to hear that. Very smart boy, so we don't have to have no PhD and a degree and nothing to know what really go on. Analyze things here. So, big up yourself, Mr. Labour Right, Ruler Brown. We support the Jamaica Labour Party. We believe that Jamaica is on the best it has ever been. This man I never live here and I need PNP time. And I think going to work tomorrow, going night. And I think, man, well, him say I'm go find go achieve and this and that, but all of them things are when them people are buy it are always in the time. Never in a labor right time. But here we know it's enough people bad mind. And everybody wants you. And everybody wants you to have something. So you see when them have something and them get it, you know what them try for do? Lock the gate for you. Them don't know labor rights there already, all of them know. Everybody know, but who? The question is, do they care? Knowing one and caring is another. So do they care when time Labour Party come in and oppress people? No, they don't. But in Florida. And you see the thing where me hate is that you try to put yourself above other people. Like first thing, when a company, like, I always do it and I never really see a problem with it. I just talk, it was just, just doing an introduction, but it's like you try to put yourself, so well then listen, my voice is more than yours. So you come across and say, why? I have a master degree, I have a this, I have a that, 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 and you have one bag of blood, nah, something. What you want to tell me? So it's like you try to separate yourself. Listen. First and foremost, I don't give a fuck who you are. or what you have. You understand? You could have the degree them line off the whole world. You could have every degree there is to have in a PhD. I don't give a fuck. For me personally, not frightening me. I'm gonna feel like you're more intellectual more than me or intelligent or this or that because no fight time. It's just that people get opportunity and some people don't. And everybody are go rich. And not everybody have things. I got have 10 house on the hill. You understand me I say? Because you have some people who don't have nothing. We can't tell you that much. Very brilliant, educational wise, smart. They don't have nothing. So don't use that when you're going a conversation for challenge, you're more well than everybody will how to speak or who will speak. You understand? I'm very disappointed in our facts. It's a cool have some little dirty, nasty front labor right gal styling pan alive. Understand? And I don't understand why him keep on do that. Them they respect you. You know respect them. I say it go. You know cross them border. Go over there and see the whole of them in the box. Because I hear them more time on some live in some night and a beer. Them always have a saying say the freaks come out at night and trust me, it's really true. That's why the labor them love the night. Because the whole of them see the kinky bumbo class shit. You understand, sir? You want to hear them at night time, you would believe some people them that understand. Don't know how they're cool. Don't know why. I don't know how. So, I put us do things my way. How me used to it. I'm not really used to the apologizing thing with people, you know. I say me as a man, you know, say from me, like say, if you get this, if you just get this, and if you just know say I don't say go. Man, I just tell people say you take up politics on your brain. Politics never take up you. You take up politics on your brain. Anything will come with the politics. Yeah. Have something you see it. If a man want to tell you splash off in your mother, they take it because that is politics. I worry for that me get boy. A man see me a ball. A man see me a ball and I complain and I you know story. Or the 100 time a man tell me about my mother. Man not threaten me. I just stay son this world it's me. I understand anything. Man not threaten me, I hold it. I say no. Oh yeah. More bring it up to 10. If I 3 times alone in a year life, a man never tell you about your blood clot, man. They're not in Jamaica, you live. Yeah, Jamaica, you live, brethren. Have to be a different country. Yeah, and that's something where. And you know, Angie walk on. And you know,
Mm-hmm.
When me really look on it, you know. Remember, you know, you hear the labor right them deal him away one time, you know. You see how people have amnesia. People have blood clot amnesia, boy, you know. I guess him not remember, say. Guess him not remember all of them something. But from long time, feel like the humble there pray me still, you know. Feel like him a pray me from a longer while, but me never pray, so him a pray me. So that kind of catch me half guard. You understand what I say? I pray me from a long time, and me not really meant say, you know, say VG I pray me. Cause when me really a pencil out all the thing going, you know. I remember, you know, me did that talk before that umbre there, you know, me talk before common sense, you know. And watch out. Me did have to stop talk, cause you know who cut me. I'm not even rich. You know, no. Deep talking. VG cut. Now I'm still so man. Bill. But you see, when I play myself in a long run, it's a fact say I kind of the pick up say VG more like a labor right. I believe so. I might be wrong. But him rub him lean over the labor right side to me. Based on how him reads.
So them go over that pure labor rights in our box.
So I said so. For me, him lean over on the side. So in a sense, I should even go upon them territory because if I go upon a man territory and go on like you want to real man, I this say, you know that. We're set up on field turf. And you watch the crowd. And VG look like a man who easily buy out. A man that look like he can buy him all a earphone right now and he sell out. I talk about politics. Even though yeah, him have a jovial spirit, but this is a laughing thing, brother. Serious blood now business. I see. You say me tell about your mother and you feel away, but yet still today, get on your platform and the girl them a style up Mr. Cole and only thing you can do is grin off your blood clot teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Only thing you could do, I would look into it and say, well then, can't be the big man, so you know, the man a big man, you know. All him
Before Mr.
sickness.
Cole going at the back,
Gonna take
I
a fuss all
them
the
the
man.
depend.
All the man sickness, hold on there. Oh, phone the turn down. All the man sickness. When you take a go and like you don't want style the man. Them ball when I kind of labor at them say, them want to hang the man till we do a belt or something. Kind of something. So if you are coming at this thing, your brethren, the power than over your son. So I understand how VG are coming at politics and feel like say come tell man about unite. Unite my bumper ass clot. But the fuck if you unite with bumper clot corruption. All you come like you gonna coke in your blood clot house at night time.
This Bob Marley couldn't do it, I'm gonna do it.
It's not about couldn't do it. But why would you unite with a corrupt government? Why not remove that corrupt government? Why VG so insists that PNP and JLP come together? Him they on the same mission. him want to see them in a power for 18 years too.
That's what me know. Cause VG agree with everything with him say. You
Yeah,
watch him
Mr.
when him
Cole.
sit down there.
I know say, Cosmo, I'm go over there and see your comment. I mean, some man, when I go up on the live, the first thing I'm doing, I'm go up in the comment until it buck.
At
Try
that me
browse
do
through the
today
comment.
over there.
You understand? I see your comment something to Mr. Cole. And like Mr. Cole never want to take heed or, him still in the box. I don't know if him come out or them take him out. I don't even know. I mean, never even stay. But just know, say, yeah, what go on. From go over there, I see. When I'm looking at the box, I see 5 labor right. I'm Mr. Cole. I see all the one
I'll
name
call her
Carla
the in
in
there
the
too.
box. Yeah, from me see that the girl laying there, nothing good no chat.
And I tell Mr. Cole to come out of the box. And Mr. Cole say him nah come out because I pay labor right in there. So him nah left them alone up there.
Yeah. And look now, did Mr. BG say nothing about that? I can't tell you what him did that do. Grin off him blood clot teeth them. Some of them pussy them if you have teeth in them bumbo clot in a virgin. I wanna come smile up so when times to serious blood clot thing. Then you don't want to come talk about what people say from what people not say. Oh, to take me out of box to put me up, then I go send back request. Send back request in your mother.
You hear
How
when
will
him
you take
says so?
man
Me
for?
hear when him says so, you know.
Send back request
I
in
mean,
your
I say so
mother.
him really take you out for that. I just saw him come off. That time he come off when me hear him say that.
I say, yo, caution I come back, man. Man, send back him request. Send back request in your mother VG. Oh, yeah, man. Bumbuckler, me this nobody. Well, since as you operate like say, me this somebody. That's why I tell you, go suck your mother. Cause you never come go and deal with me like say me this a man and me not this no man. Cause that a behavior. Me see man in the box, Remember me see man in the box and move all the way, and attack and this and that and and rare. I mean I say VG want more. The labor right them. Yo, if a man and misbehave, take them out of the box. You see him take out nobody out of the box? And I diss them and these people. Talk for them. Talk out before them time and I kind of sit now with this.
But look how much people open their mic yesterday and attack and him not take them out of the box.
Why would Elon Musk be talking to Putin's chief deputy?
You understand what I'm saying?
Be talking to that guy specifically, the Russian government? I don't know. It's a specific guy in the
Or
Russian
this part.
government in charge of operations targeting the American public. Like, say, for this election.
You understand what I say? So me not understand. Me not get it at all. Me not get it at all, brethren. Come tell me about send, but you think me like a send back request. Now your mama man, you know how you deal. You feel like me have some bumbo clot, like a hungry belly blood clot dog. Where can run and never come wiggle them tail and come back. I suck your mama man. I'm to your brother. I tell you, I never this man yet. I treat this man with respect, give him platform. If himself to talk 3 minutes, come 3 minutes, don't get him do. When I see like him, I go on like him want come unbiased the thing. Bias all the thing and them thing there. I make him know say VG, want to your man. Now 3 minutes you say. Keep your back in check. No, caution. Caution road. You have to take caution out of the box. Man, I
You
chill with
know
you,
who
but
did
no.
what I diss up Mr. Cole today too? You see the woman was talking about your disrespect her the other day? When you
That a
Carol?
that
She
that
did
girl,
in there
man.
too.
A long time them want to go up on platform to do all of them silly there, Long time them want to go up on platform to do all of them kind of sin. Because them can't come over here, so. I have to stay far. I hide all them bumbuckler picture. Although them have my picture, you know. What the fuck, the only thing them can probably, I don't know what the fuck them can say about me for my picture, but them can find something for say. But I know me I find something about bumbuckler, and I'm 100% certain about that. Me have to find something about you know, because I know found no come on TikTok and I go on like when I smarty and this nobody. No fucking body and who are smarty on this. Not even go on like you know. All the one bumbuckler call a she. Me there me I listen to that that girl you know. I talk about man. Yo man can really want blood clot caller. Not even if caller was a billionaire and second caution. Me pay you for fuck me. Me no want bumbuckler fuck caller. Caller can go on. And then a drunk crowd they can do that fuck. Not me. Girl man and blood clot cranny. I gotta tell you, but caution me no want you. The fuck? Would I really put myself, listen, I'm not downgrade a woman, but would I put down myself in there with Carla. I introduce nobody and say, listen, here's my girlfriend, Carla McLean. You're mad to pussy clot. Not even God more knows me and fuck this woman. That is how serious it is. Not even God say no say. None of kings now go on, none at all. Cause God see everything. And you can't hide from him. So from a test not even God is supposed to know how serious of an issue that is. Bumbuckler to man come talk about. Say yo, one of the worst thing. Say some man, yo, Virgin, me I tell you to bumbuckler. Call I want put on weight, Virgin. Call I want to ensure and porridge. Call I look like Chaval. He HIV to pussy club. Me would have red.
Call her one lamp pile.
Red for you say yo, me I gotta take up myself. And they would call her. And I tell you, some man brave, you know. Some man brave and fuck. That much me can any man they would call her. I feel like calling on a man, you know. I feel like calling on a man. I just feel so me I say any man. Take up Carla. Listen, hold on. Let me go back for the blood clot picture. Cause,
As much say
so
if not even if you're well drunk.
not even liquor can. You know liquor make some woman look good. Not even liquor can bumbo climb and say.
That's mother easy. Oh God.
Bumbo clot Carla. Eh? The woman look like a green lizard. Green fucking blood clot lizard. Pan the guy ass clot. The guy called
If you got a
advertisement.
gecko, she look like a gecko.
Yeah man, like our fucking brother. I come on TikTok and you want to come these people. Who ugly from who not ugly. I look on you. Right now, call her the ugliest thing on TikTok. The ugliest on TikTok. So she can't put up her picture. But you see, Father God make me find that one here. I'm have it. Me nah left it. This nah come out of my blood clot phone. You see the picture where you put up, you better keep it. Cause this nah come out of my phone. Fuck do no. If you got some pram push thing a go on boy, yeah. So now, me see one thing where Andrew only say him a get attacked. And the pole attack him. And Dan Andrew the pole attack him. But many men want to. What the fuck? You see, me tell you, no. You see, Andrew Wellness, that little bumbo club, dirty germs, the fucking. wish death upon you. Like, for real? At this say gone, Andrew, when you see
You
say
know,
you're
you the chip
9%.
out a while ago. What him say about death on him?
The man put out say about many men wish death upon him.
The hell? But the song him remember.
What kind of statement that you put out to them done said labor right here? A war, a civil war, the man a try bumbuck. Yo, me I tell you too. Yo, you see the man a real bumbuckler crosses, you know. And the man a go tell me about them speech there. Them speech there. Them speech there. Like say, yeah man. Nothing wrong with them speech. As a prime minister, how the fuck if you make them speech there? You can't make them speech as a prime minister, my general. A young man make them speech, a man no sit down pan corner. I rub out them and miggle. You as a prime minister, what you putting on them done said labor right head now? Them labor right go hear them sitting here now. You know what them a pre now? For go war. Why them a pray for war now, you know? Tune the man a tune up the people them for go out there for go war, you know.
And him know exactly what him a do.
Of course him know. Of course him know, brethren. You know see what them calling me as up. Baby Trump. Although I'm rate Trump still in our way still, but Bumbuckler, no sir. No sir. A lot of time this man, I tell you, this man I make me regret being a Jamaican. But there at Jamaica, I feel like say, me need for cut. Me need to find a way out of Jamaica. So the man make me feel. So the man make me feel like me need to find a way out, brethren. Because when me I go do here, so, enough for them bumbuckler labor right aside from the language. We wanna see. Wanna see. I come talk about third term. Hungry no blood, yet them no near me no.
Just look at Carl and you see it. You know, me hear enough people are said to like them name a disappear off 5 voters list.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Why anything possible with that man here, you know? Anything possible with Andrew Wellness. You hear me I tell you now? Wanna be careful. Anything possible with Andrew Wellness, car. When we there I think of peace and safety. I saw the blood clot destruction with that man here. Saw the ass clot destruction.
One person said them name the dep on it last month, and when them check again this month, you know, the when couple days ago, you know, dep on it.
Mm-hmm. But I don't know what I'm going to say, you know.
I
Would I
remove
make
the PNP them.
up nice though?
Yeah, well, one of them say me go call Dayton Campbell and somebody else.
I have to make up nice. The 24th of them
Conference.
yeah. 24th is the Labour Conference. Right now, them know them not got no crowd. No crowd, them not got at all. They are look for something to talk about. Yeah, that's a go on. They are scroll through and see what go on. But they have some people, hey, me I tell you, some people are just born mad people. Yeah, born
Yeah,
fucking mad.
fix.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me they say what go on right, I say. See them over Rockfort or go on over Rockfort. Well, them have to do it, them have to do.
The police. Eh?
So, as I say now, so first and foremost now, we have a lot of business to deal with. Like we recite one poem. You understand? And you have to wonder if something wrong with you or something wrong with them. Because them labor writer to me, them talk. Alright, see one live, yeah. But you see the thing about it is, most of liquor, you don't know still. As I'm saying, every man do them thing different. And I believe, like say, every man free to go where them want to go and do what them really want to do. You understand? Because me can't tell a man what to do and how him to go about him thing. You understand? This is the thing there right now.